So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make paper bookmark. To make paper bookmark, all you need to do is have some beautiful colors. So I'm going to make the purple bookmark, and for that I've used purple and blue shade. With the blue shade I'm giving a cross, and then I'm doing the petals, and then with a darker shade I'll give the color at the middle and it's split. So that's how I'm making each flower. So all you have to do is repeat the process and keep doing the flowers all over the bookmark just the way I'm showing you. So please do follow, and if you have not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel.